Hello cat people! Welcome to the Catlady Christmas calendar. I am Catlady Antigoni and today I'm gonna tell you which brands I would like to try within 2023. For the day 3 of the Catlady Christmas calendar, I chose a quite interesting topic. Also, if you have watched yesterday's video, take it as a continuation, as a part 2 from yesterday's video. So today I'm gonna tell you which makeup brands I would like to try within 2023, if they are from America, how I'm planning to solve this issue with customs and everything that I was telling you yesterday, basically. So if you're interested about this, let's start! At number 1, we have Anastasia Beverly Hills. Basically, I don't know if it is a surprise for you, because it's a big surprise for me, but I don't have anything from this brand in my collection. There is no specific reason for this. It just didn't happen. I don't know, I was feeling quite underwhelmed by the palettes and everything all these years, so that's why I haven't bought anything, but I think that I would like to try the eyeshadow quality for sure, and maybe some of their lip products. The reason that I'm mentioning this brand first is because I can very easily find it in Europe, specifically in Sweden, where I'm living right now. It is sold at Kicks. Also, I can order from Beauty Bay, if I'm not mistaken, so I think it's quite easy for me to try, and I promise this year I will try it. At number 2, we have Menagerie. Menagerie is actually an American-based brand, and now you might ask me, what are you planning to do with customs? Because in 2022, customs was the biggest problem. Well, something that I'm thinking I need to do a little bit more research, but I think that I'm moving in this direction, is to have my own PO box in America. So the plan is to order from a lot of brands, and when I have enough products, I would like to do a whole shipping, you know, to include everything there and have it shipped here in Sweden. And I think that I will still have to pay customs, but it's not gonna be order by order, it's gonna be as a total order, if this makes sense to you. Still, I need to do some extra research because I'm not sure how possible is this, but it's a very nice idea. And please, if you have more ideas, feel free to write down in the comments. I would be very interested to hear about everything. Now, back to relevancy about Menagerie. I like that they have like animal themed palettes, and I'm dying for their pastel palettes. It's so cute, and I feel that I need this in my collection, since the pastel palette that I have from Beauty Bay is about to finish. I mean, I have hidden the pan in almost every shadow in this palette, and I would like to try more palettes with pastels because I know how much I'm using them. Beyond this, I'm so interested for their new collection with the cats and the dogs, the little puppies and kittens. Oh my god, that's so sweet! And I definitely want to try some of the products from the collection. And they have some very beautiful liquid lipsticks, which I'm dying to try. I mean, have you seen their green collection? I'm dying. The bad thing is that they cannot ship to UK, so I can send them to my friend instead of doing the whole thing with the PO box. But we will manage it. We will manage somehow, because I'm so curious to try this brand. At number 3, we have Aden Cosmetics, formerly known as Aden Cosmetics. And yes, we are staying in America. Well, what is the most intriguing thing in this brand, in my head at least, are their weird, amazing packagings. I mean, have you seen all their palettes and how do they look like? They are spectacular. I'm so curious to try their eyeshadow quality. I'm so curious to try all the grungy colors that they have created, and also the multichrome. Oh my god, I cannot even say this word! Multichrome liquid eyeliners. I mean, these are like a dream in my head. I'm dying to try all these things. If I had to buy, I would buy definitely a palette and some of the liquid eyeliners. Maybe some lip products, now that I'm thinking. Well, it's a very interesting brand. Should we stay in America for a little bit longer? Well, I think yes, because at number 4, we have Aden Cosmetics. Well, this brand kinda got my attention by the stained glass collection. I mean, all those multichromes, duochromes. You can find everything that you wish for. I mean, just think about a combination, just think about a duochrome and you can find it in this collection. I have seen all the eyeshadows. I mean, the whole collection is like huge. If you try to put them in a zip palette, it's gonna be something like that, and I truly love it because I have all the opportunities to choose whatever comes to my mind, whatever I feel that I'm missing from my existing collection, and this gives me a lot of freedom. That's why I would like to buy from them as well. And also they have a personality test in their webpage where if you do this, you know which multichrome category fits to you better. And I mean, this is awesome because I had the test and I was in the pastels and some, you know, iridized colors. I'm like, yeah, this is me, this is my personality here. At number 5, we have Blend Bunny Cosmetics. If you didn't know this, Blend Bunny is owned by a makeup artist. The makeup artist has an Instagram page, so you can go there, you can follow her, you can see all her amazing creations, and her name is Blend Bunny also. I'm so interested in this brand because of their colorful palettes. Basically, almost all of their palettes are rainbow palettes and they're so colorful. They have pastels, they have neons, they have shimmers, they have metallics, they have everything that I need. They have every single shade that you can imagine. They have every color of the rainbow in every form that you might need. Do we need anything more to be convinced? No, I don't think so. At this point, I would like to make a disclaimer in this video. Every single brand that I'm talking about today is absolutely cruelty-free, and most of them are vegan as well. If you didn't know this about me, if you're new here, first of all, welcome! My name is Antigoni. I love vibrant makeup, I love glittery makeup, and I love whatever bling bling. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. In every social medium, my name is Catlady Antigoni. Go there and you will find some exclusive content. Are you ready to listen about another one, American indie brand? Because at number 6, we have Aden Cosmetics. Aden, I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this correctly. I'm gonna leave their name down below. Editor, down below please, the name Aden. Anyway, so we are talking again about a small brand based in US, right? So you might ask, why do you want to try this? What is special with this brand? Well, let me tell you, the anime aesthetics. All their products are based on anime, or they have created their own fictional characters with anime style of painting, and they have put those characters on everything from sponges to palettes to lipsticks. It's just so dreamy. And also the owner is such a sweet person who is following her dream, and this is something that I always admire to everyone. Also, she includes some kind of stickers in the orders, and really, I'm dying! They're so cute, so sweet. Tell me, is there any reason for me to stop myself from buying from them? At number 7, we have Shroud Cosmetics, formerly known as Strobe Cosmetics. I don't know with which name you remember them, but I really need to try their collaboration palettes with Betty Bean. Actually, I've heard about this brand from her channel, and her palettes with the bats and everything are awesome. They are the absolute Halloween dream. I know that we're a little bit out of season with Halloween, but that's what I want to buy from them, okay? And also she has some pins available based on some creepy characters, which I also want to try. I know that this is irrelevant with makeup, but this is what I want to buy, okay? At number 8, we have Cosmic Brushes. Basically, I got to know about this brand when I saw their amazing palettes. I mean, their color schemes are so inspiring, at least to me. And I want to try them because I have heard that everyone has something very positive to say about the eyeshadow quality, about the blendability, about how buildable they are, and I'm gonna form my own opinion. I don't know if I actually gonna buy anything from them, but they are definitely in my wish list. And also I have heard that they have launched some brushes nowadays. This is also something that I would like to try. At number 9 we have Half Magic Beauty. If you didn't know this fun fact about this brand, it is owned by the makeup artist from the Netflix series Euphoria, and actually they have done a lot of innovative products. They have brought that, you know, fresh air to the makeup market, at least in my opinion. All their packagings are so fun, kinda they inspire you to do makeup. They contain a lot of glitter, which, you know, I'm dying about glitter. I think that they're a little bit more expensive, but I also think that with this whole innovation they fully deserve the money. What I would like to try from them is definitely their eyeliner. I mean, the one with a very weird shape. I really want to see what this can do on my eyeliner. How can this change my eyeliner game? And also their glitters, which are coming in a very fancy packaging. I don't know how to describe it. I mean, if you know, you know. Also their eyeshadows, especially the shimmery ones, because I really want to be as shiny as possible. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. I was talking about the brand Half Magic Beauty. That's why I decided to tell you the Greek word for magic. So in Greek we say magia. Say it with me. Ma-gi-a. Magia. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word magia, or actually tell me the word in your own native language. And last but not least, at number 10, we have the brand About Face. I have chosen this brand because in my opinion, they are also bringing some very innovative products to the market, some very beautiful packaging, very well thought as well. And specifically, I'm talking about their blushes. Like, I'm so intrigued by the purple blush. It's something that I need in my collection because I don't have a purple blush, specifically a putty blush. It's something that I definitely want to try. Also their cream eyeshadows, I mean, it's just so beautiful, and I think that they were among the first brands that came with the idea of liquid eyeshadows. I mean, at least in tubes, you know what I mean, right? And that's also something that I would like to try from them. But again, they are UK, no, sorry, it's not UK. If only they were UK based. They are US based, so this makes everything so difficult for me. But again, I promise that this year I will try harder. I will try to buy stuff from the US, and I'm gonna tell you like how was the full procedure, my feedback, if I wanna do this again, if I have any advice for you. And in general, I would be very happy if you leave a comment down below telling me which brands do you wanna buy. If you have any questions like where can I find this brand, do you know about this brand, what's your opinion about this, have you tried, I would be very happy to discuss all these things with you. Again, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on my social everywhere. My name is Catlady Antigoni, and I'm uploading exclusive content almost every day. And that was it. This was our video for today. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I appreciate you a lot. I hope you enjoyed, and I see you again tomorrow with a new video. Until then, bye.